Hi everyone. So, I have news. I'm going to be traveling soon. I am very excited. I'm leaving by the end of this week, but I've not started packing yet, and it is Wednesday today. Yeah, I know. But first, I think so. I have like a few packages to open. A few things I ordered off Amazon that I thought I might be needing on the trip. So while I am watching Fragrant Flower, I am going to be opening the packages with you guys here. This is a bit of a different vlog. It's just like I am very excited and I really want to record before going to the trip too, because the video of the trip will be posted later on, obviously, because I take so long to edit. But at least I can like give you guys a little bit of a thing that's going to happen soon. So yeah, let's open the packages. So I think so I've packed everything, but I'm not really sure. Um, since I'm traveling to a tropical place, if you guys want like real time updates, you can follow me on Instagram. I am live of Sukhmani there too. But I'm just thinking, I like I'm going for 7 days, but it can rain, so 14 outfits. I'm doing like girl packing this time, not like holding back on anything. I want good pictures. I just hope my hair don't bleed there as much as I'm thinking it would. Anyway, I have like a weird thought process going on right now. So I think so I'm packed. Almost packed. I'll finish it up, and hopefully soon enough I will be uploading what and where I went. So I think that is it for this vlog. I don't know what else to say. I could talk about the movies, but I'm like way too excited for this and have a lot of stuff to do. So I'm gonna skip that. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog that is a bit different from what we usually do. I am going to be experimenting with different things. I used to film vlogs a little bit different earlier, and I think so I liked that better. Now that I've posted a bunch of these, I don't know, I'm just figuring stuff out. Hope you guys will stay until I figure it out. And even after that, if you guys have not already, subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram for real time updates on where I have been traveling. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.